Hello, today we will go over the commands for manual item placement in the beam part of Revit. This part mainly consists of functions that allow you to easily place various items that are placed in the opening area. First, let's place a beam panel in the beam area using the RBIMB menu. Execute the command and enter the start point, end point, and placement direction of the panel. Select the desired code from the item list and determine the length, elevation, and panel height. To recalculate the elevation, press the Select Element button and then select the balcony in the drawing. If the elevation and height are calculated correctly, press the Plan button to place the panel. The beam panel has been placed. Let's check the placement results in the 3D view. Now, let's place the beam panel in the 775H beam section. You've worked hard in this area. I'm in hotbar applause CI33 ivati horse real dog bakeso. That 2023 London. Next, let's place the beam in corner panel. Specify the corner point from the starting point and enter the A side length and B side length. Change the lengths measured on the drawing to A side 240 and B side 300. Click the Plan button to place the panel. Next is the beam out corner panel. All input methods are the same as the beam in corner panel. Next, place the SC materials connected to the beam cap. Specify the coordinates in the order of start point, end point, and placement direction. Select the material code. And for BIMCAPSC series materials, you need to enter the W value. Press the W button to set it to 150. This value is the basic information pre-registered in the project settings. If you look at the upper right corner of the project settings dialog, there is a registration unit for important dimension acquisition of SC series material. BSL is a beam cap SC material. Change W to 100. Click the Save and Close button to save the basic information. Then, if you replace the beam cap SC material, this time, the W value is displayed as 100. Recalculate the elevation and SC panel height using the Select Elemental function. You can also attach a ledge to the surface that touches the deck panel or attach a plate to the end. After checking both options, click the Plan button to place the panel and check the results. Next, let's add a beam cap SC panel on the opposite side. If you remove all the extension indexes and place the panel, you can see that the length matches the wall thickness. The coordinate input method is the same as the general icono panel coordinate input method we covered earlier, and the dialog configuration is also the same as the previous methods. This time, it's an out corner panel. The coordinate input method and dialog configuration of the out corner panel are also the same as the contents we covered earlier. This time, it's a beam cap slab panel. Specify one end of the window as the starting point, the end point in the length direction, and the edge in the width direction as the third point. Determine the component elevation and check the length and elevation. Select the angle option to determine whether to attach left and right angles. And overlaps with BIMCAB arc. When specifying coordinates, BIMCAB else level, if a BSC needs to be installed at that location, you must specify the coordinates based on the BSC. The following are two functions for creating horizontal angles. The first command places the angle with the direction facing upwards. And the second command places the angle with the direction facing downwards. Now, let's place the beam tie finally. First, to place the beam tie, let's place the beam panel in the balcony area. Execute the tie command and specify the coordinates at the joint location. Determine the material code and then click the ELV button to select the balcony. Then the elevation and panel height are calculated. Click the Default button to apply the standard tie configuration from the current settings. Click Refresh button to automatically remove tie rods above the panel height. Click OK button to create beam ties with the entered settings.